Previously on Sailing WaveRiders, we take our water bikes up the river Salé on the island of Guadalupe. For our warranty of our Kohler generator, Fred Marine has a look at it and take some pictures to send to Kohler.
Yeah, this sounds like you got a big one.
Oh no! Yeah, he's gone out a little bit. I gotta tire him. Swimming away. Woo! Oh, he's swimming out. He's going to the front. Should I go with him?
Yes. Leanne's caught a fish.
What time is it?
6:30.
Sunset. I just put it out, my second cast out in the anchorage. Point of Feature, Guadalupe. Whoa, there we go. He's fighting. He's a fighter. Woo!
Sadly, the fish broke our line when it went under the boat.
Friday, February 16th, we decided to go on a holiday this weekend away from all our work and Kohler generator junk. This is only Île de Grossier is only 3 nautical miles away from our anchorage in Point de Pitre, Guadalupe. This is where we came from. Point de Pitre is 3 miles that way. And here we are. There's the island. I feel like I'm on a holiday, first time since we left Punat, Croatia. Okay, Andrew's gonna go set up the hammock. See how he's doing here. The water bikes just came back from a ride and a swim. Half-hour swim and a 40-minute ride. We're pretty proud of our shiny boat we've been polishing. Here you come, Pools and Haynes, 6:28 a.m. Guadalupe, Point de Pitre. Welcome, hello. Ready for a fun day of sailing and swimming. Here come our visitors from beautiful British Columbia. They've come off of this ship, MSC Divina. Say hi! Hi, hi everybody!
Hi Cody! Hi Cody! All the way from Canada!
Yay! Beautiful Sunshine Coast! Aren't they cool? No. Oh, and they're all off. So sorry to see them all go.
Oh, we're so sorry to go.
Oh, too short. Too short.
We're crying. We're crying.
We're enjoying the iced coffee now, waiting for the Haynes and the Pools to cast off on their MSC Divina. Sorry you weren't here long enough to enjoy the iced coffee that we had made and wanted to serve you. We set sail for Marie Galante for the weekend, a short 20 nautical miles. A short sail today to Marie Galante, so our pontoons we just kept in here, tidy stored away. The best time yet of tying them up. Best job yet. It didn't take up any room. Makes it simple. Now we're going to put them down. We can ride right away. Saves the 10 minutes of blowing them up. Life's short.
We rent a car on the island of Marie Galante, Port Louis, and go explore the island.
Made. That is huge. Andrew found this live conch shell at Marie Galante. A live one. He's too small for us to take, to eat. But, oh, well, he was in there, but I poked him. Look at that. We're putting him back in. There he goes. More boat projects happening. We're still waiting for Kohler to decide what to do with our generator. It's been 4 weeks and they've sent the hose clamp to France, and then France is going to send it to the company in the States that actually put the generator together. And we are taking down the mainsail so we could fix a little bit of wear on one of the strips, battens. First calm day here in Pointe Petra, Guadalupe. Perfect day for taking down our mainsail. Usually there's at least 20 knots of wind blowing in this anchorage.
And one of my problems here is I've got stainless steel and aluminum together and they're corroded, so the screws that I have to take out are seized. So I'm using this rust remover, which seems to work pretty well to take the corrosion off the stainless and aluminum. sail, off the rigging now, except for the luff. I can't get the cars off the sail. While I was taking the clue off the sail, I noticed that there's a problem at the end of the boom. So I'm fixing that now while I'm waiting for a rigger to come tomorrow to help me get the rest of the sail off, and then we'll have it repaired.
What's the problem on the boom there?
The problem is we got a bunch of Teflon cars where our reefing ropes go through, and they're not turning, which is making the reefing very difficult.
And it is difficult.
It is difficult. So maybe this, when I fix it, it'll be a little bit easier.
Yay!
It's amazing. They put all these really nice cars, parking blocks everywhere on the boat, and then they got the really crappy things in the boom. Go figure.
And no grease on the parts.
Oh right, I can't get the parts off the mast. Grease it. It doesn't seize. You can take it apart when you need to. Now we may have to drill it out, which is going to be a pretty pain in the neck.
More boat projects.
More boat projects. 2-year-old boat, and it's just nothing but jobs to do. I got a whole pile of jobs to do inside, which we'll show later.
Who wants to come help?
Yeah, it better be a good mechanic.
Sails in the bag, ready to go to the sail maker. Fit with her first roll.
Hi, thank you for watching this episode of Sailing WaveRiders. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, bye.